Quick test. Are you going house or are you going home? One answer is correct, but many learners make this mistake. Now, in this video, you will practice the difference between house and home. So grab a piece of paper, a pencil, and let's practice together. But before we start filling in the blanks, let's learn the difference between house and home. What is the difference? Well, for house, just keep in mind that you use this whenever we're just simply talking about a building, while home is quite different because that's your living place, and most of the time we have a connection, a feeling towards home. So now fill in the blanks practice. Let's read each sentence carefully and let's try to find some clues. Number one, I go blank space after work every day. So basically, you have a feeling, right? After finishing work, you feel tired and you simply want to go home. So, yes, that's correct. If you said home, that's correct. I go home after work every day. Number two, my blank space has a big kitchen and two bathrooms. Well, we simply are talking about your house. You're simply talking about your house. So, my house has a big kitchen and two bathrooms. Number three, she loves her blank space. So, clue at the start of the sentence, loves. That's a feeling. So, she loves her home because her family is there. Very good. Number four, they are building a new. So here, no feeling. They are building a new blank space near the park. Simply talking about a building, and that building is a house. They are building a new house near the park. Nice. Number five, missed you. That is a feeling. They feel sad you're not home, so welcome home is the answer. Welcome home. I missed you. Number six, I blank space is very expensive. This is general, as you know, many houses are expensive, so this house is very expensive. How about number seven? After the trip, I want to go. So your hint here is already go. We always use home with go. The next one, his blank space is beautiful. It has a large garden. So for this one, we're simply talking about the house. That's correct. So his house is beautiful. It has a large garden. So if you wrote house, very good. The next one, number nine. A family lives in this blank space. All right. No feeling associated with this sentence. So we need to write house for this one. So let's write it down. A family lives in this house. Number 10, Taiwan is my second. All right. So this gives you a feeling towards this place. So Taiwan is my second home. Simply because you have built memories about this place or any other place and it's special to you now. Now it's your turn to practice without my help. You're going to circle the correct answer. And can you get 9 out of 9? Can you get all these correct? If you do, if you get all, or if you get what you get, please let me know your score down in the comments. Now let's start with number 1. I am tired. Your hint here is tired. That's a feeling. I want to go home. Why? We always use go with home. We don't use it with house. Very good. I am tired. I want to go home. Good. All right, let's try number 2. You can always pause the video and you can try by yourself. And let's see if we get the same answers. All right, my parents bought a new, is it house or is it home? Well, there's no feeling towards this yet. So my parents bought a new house. Number 3, this, is it house or is it home, has 5 rooms. So read carefully and think about it. No feeling associated with this. So this house has 5 rooms. Number 4, the next one. After school, I go, well, we never use go with house. We always use it with home. So after school, I go home. The next one. My grandparents' house or home is very warm and friendly. So warm is a feeling, friendly is also a feeling. So my grandparents' home is very warm and friendly. Number 7. They are painting their, is it house or home? Well, no feeling in this sentence, so they are painting their house white. Now, for this one, I feel happy, right? A feeling when I'm at home. I feel happy when I am at home. The last one, that big house belongs to my neighbor. Yes, no feeling in this sentence. Very good. If you made it to the end, let me know your score. Also, if you like this tutorial, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in the next lesson.